Hello everyone, hopefully you're fine and well and you're safe and sound wherever you are in Target and Bishkek. Thank you so much in advance for watching my video. First of all, I want to talk about my unit plan. Let me open it. The unit plan that I designed is a couple of days we all designed this unit plan, literally. The unit plan that I designed is specifically for 10th graders of Charles Ahmed High School. I tried to I don't know if this term is true or no, I'm sorry if it's not. Try to make this unit plan pack based on the curriculum that we are following currently in Chandler High School, which is a Cambridge school as well. We recently got the certification of Cambridge schools. That's why we are trying hard to prepare students for IGCSE exams, AS level, A-level exams. And the way I designed this unit plan is according to the rules that we are following with the students in Chandler right now. So the topic is generally rounding around the differentiation, and you can see the objectives and the technologies that I used. Regarding the technology that we use, also I want to put a clarification. The school that we are working, there are lots of regulations for such things. Students are not allowed to bring telephone, tablet, iPad, anything, any technological tools. Only we have smartboards in our school. We have internet all the time, and but students they don't have the permission to bring technological tools. So this is something that, how can I say, makes our the usage of technology in our school for us limited. That's why we generally use YouTube resources in my classroom, and as also I said, we are trying to prepare students for IGCSE exams and those exams. That's why the range of techniques that we can use is limited. We generally use GeoGebra. I want to show you. Also, let me open the Google Classroom. In Google Classroom, first of all, you can see over here IGCSE resources. The annual plan is included in the Google Classroom. Students can see what they are going to study, even quarter-based and day-based. And also the book that we are following with our students in grade 10, Pure Mathematics for Cambridge International, AS level and A level. Alongside that, technology tools that I mentioned, widely we use GeoGebra, I opened over here, for graphs and 3D shapes. In order to conceptualize and visualize things we study, it is really helpful for students to see, for example, even a simple graph of linear equation. When they see how it works, each point, the gradients, the slope, it's really helpful. And I wish when I was a student I had used these tools. It may have helped me too much to conceptualize better and deeper and earlier the mathematics. And also alongside GeoGebra, we use Desmos graph calculator. There are lots of saved graphs, trigonometry, calculus, and also we can just insert our own graphs. It will help students to have a deeper understanding and visualization and conceptualization of topics. Then alongside that, additional resources. Here I included Zambak book. This Zambak book is the curriculum before we shifted to this IGCSE curriculum. We were using this in this school, actually. And that's also amazing, good questions. So generally I assign homeworks and assignments from this book, and all exercises that is included in IGCSE book we are following the class is kind of classwork inside of the classroom. We try to solve them. Okay. Also grading scale. We have a Edu page where students get their marks over there from assignments, from class activity, from summative assessment generally, and assignments. And it's over there. They can just check it. It's from 2 to 5, limited, satisfactory, 4 good, and 5 excellent. They can check. It's kind of a rubric, and accordingly they can try for that, because how can I say, I forgot the word. I'm sorry. Transcript. I'm sorry. Transcript is also important for them when they apply for universities. Admission board, they are also care too much about the transcript of students. Alongside that, you can see the day based in my Google Classroom. On Monday, they can see their assignments that as I have mentioned earlier, it's generated from Zambak book, exercise 1.1 and specified problems. Lesson presentation, all the time we will have a presentation, and I shared that in the Google Classroom. There may be some students they miss the class, so there are included the YouTube resources that we use inside the classroom. Even the formative assessments, the same link that we use in the classroom, they can check it at home or weekend. And also group activity, which is also included in my presentation as well. Or group, you may have checked my unit plan, the way they work as a group. It's also, we can say, an activity, because when they solve together, they change their papers, they compare the answers, and they clarify to each other. The same routine we can see on Wednesday, another day. Assignment, group work, and class presentation, YouTube resources, and formative assessment. This time we use Kahoot. For example, on Monday we use quizzes. As I mentioned, the range of technologies that we can use is currently limited. We just the administration asked me to mostly focus on the content since students are getting preparation for the exams. So I'm trying to use quizzes, Kahoot, and also Bamboozle inside of the classroom. And for example, on Thursday, you can see we used Bamboozle as a formative assessment. Also YouTube resource and class presentation, group work, and assignments. And Friday, there is a summative assessment. My charge is going to be finished. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope it's useful. Thank you so much. Have a good day.